Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this Fraction AI Interact task. So here is it. You have the Interact task for those that have been farming Fraction AI. If you have started farming or you haven't, I made a previous video where I showed how to farm Fraction AI. I have a video specifically for that. But for today's video, I want to update you about this airdrop, the Fraction AI, where you have to complete this interact task. And you know that from every other airdrop to like the block merge, the Priva, seal, all of those ones, they'll be using interact to as a source of their KYC. So this task is ending in less than 10 days. This is 9 days, 20 hours. So what you do here is this is the task. I'll drop the link in the description box of this video. So once you open the link, as usual, this is what we have here. Follow Fraction AI, join Fraction AI Discord. Then the next task is to complete at least one section in the burning collection. So to complete that, they said we should go to the link, connect your wallet from the top right side, scroll down and connect on the burning collection. Click on the plus sign by the side. Okay, let me just click on next. Then I'll come back to start. Let me click on visit link. Let me open a new tab so that I can come back to read the instruction. I want to make the instruction page visible so I can use it as guide. Alright. So and also there is this Depin Airdrop. Let me just chip this in while this Fraction AI starts loading. Keep loading. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna click on let me just complete this. So this is the Fraction AI space. This is the space. This is the page rather. So I'll go back to interact. Connect your wallet from the top right hand side. So my wallet is already connected, you can see. That's why you're seeing this combined crayfish 2213. That's the name they gave me. Then scroll down to the scroll down and click on the burning collection. Where is the burning collection? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I just want to complete this task so that you guys can see. So, okay. These are the burning collection. So let me see, what did they ask us to do here? Click on the plus sign by the side of the search agent option. And I'll go back. Plus sign, search agent option. We're going to look for it together. I think I've not scrolled yet. I'm still seeing rap battle. I'm gonna scroll down till I found that bunny. I think I saw the bunny collection. So guys, I think this is what you need to do. Just come back to this space. If you click on the link directly from Interact, you first of all see that previous page. So that was quite confusing somehow. So just come to this space and scroll down to this bunny collection. Then click on join space. Then I'll click on this search agent. I'll click on this plus sign and write agent. I'll create an agent. So I'll click on, I'll enter my agent's name. You can select any name. So I've entered the name like that. Then here I will make use of, remember for this this Fraction AI, you always need Sapola, ETH Sapola to do the task, to do the claiming. You can watch my previous video. I showed you how to go about the task. If you are just joining, you can still join. So here this description, I'll click on generate AI. I want this AI to generate the system prompts for me. Then here I'm going to enter the captcha and click on create agent. Then I'll just enter capture AYP. I'll click on create agents. Okay. So here is the information you enter. You say I selected Burning Colosseum, then enter agent name, the ETH Sapala. Click on generate system prompts from the AI, and I'll click on create agent. So once I create the agent, then I'll join the space to complete that particular interact task. So you'll be needing Sapala ETH as gas. For those that are already on this farming, they already understand what I'm saying. But if this is your first time of seeing this project, then first of all watch my previous video so that you don't miss out. So I'll just confirm the transaction from my wallet. So we are waiting for it to load, and let's see what happens next. So now I have generated agents. Now is to click on the agent and join space. So I'll select this. Okay, let me first of all use this free practice. I will enter capture here too, and click. So like that, I've joined the space for this particular task. Then you see, wait a little while we find you an opponent. So then I can come back to interact. Let's see. Then once created, click on agent and join space. I've joined space. So let me click on verify to see if they've verified the task for me. Okay, let me visit link. You have to go through that link. So I just want to be sure we're doing something here. So let me now click on verify. So the task has been verified, meaning I've completed it. So follow Fraction AI on Medium, like this tweet, spread the retweet, score at least 100 points on Interact Proof of Humanity. I think these other three are social tasks. So let me just go to this 10 points, because I see some people asking me questions about this score points on Interact. So I already score points, but I don't know why some people said their point is not counting. If you do it the right way, you should already be having points on Interact. Let's see what they mean. Okay, proof of humanity, reward for... I have proof of humanity here. Except you are using different wallets for all of these tasks, you should have an airdrop wallet, because it will save you a lot of stress. Like, your points will automatically be adding up if you are using one wallet. This same Interact was what we use on Block Match, Privacy AI, the human something. So all of these things, because I've completed so many tasks, you see my points is that I don't know how else to explain how to get points on Interact. The moment you connect socials, you see, only here I only connected Google accounts. I didn't even connect G2. I just connected some of the accounts that I know that I can connect to earn the points. And by the time you keep refreshing, you will be able to see your points adding up by year. You see humanity points. So if you are having issues with Interact, just check what you are doing wrong, because automatically when you are completing those points, it should automatically add up. So you can say I've completed that task, I have 10 points, just 10 points, and I'm having 230 something, because the same wallet, the EVM wallet that I connected on Interact, It's the same wallet I'm using to farm airdrop, and the same wallet I'm using to farm the Fraction AI. So there is no way my points will be missing. Everything is showing in the same wallet. So I think I've done the one that might look tedious. So the other one is just follow medium and all of that. So let me just explain this Cryplex, or what's it called? This AI Depin Airdrop. So here you download the extension as usual. Once you download the extension, connect your Phantom wallet. Don't use any other wallet. This is the Cryplex. Download the extension using your PC or Mrs. browser. Then open the link, just the AI registration thing. I just want you to know that you should check the registration link in the description box of this video. Open the link and connect your Phantom wallet. The moment you connect your wallet, from the extension, you can click on task. You can click on task here, and you see daily boost, you see quick win, you see daily boost. Daily boost is the daily tax, and here you can see other tax. You can see your earnings. So firstly, to use to get started on this Cryplex, paste the wallet, paste the link in your browser. Just connect your wallet, connect your Phantom wallet. That's how to sign up. Then download the extension. Once you download the extension, come to task and complete the social tax. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. Firstly, click on the registration link, connect your Phantom wallet, because you will not be able to connect directly from here from the extension. Connect using the link, the registration link, connect Phantom wallet. That's the sign up, and come back to the extension, download the extension, and come to tax and complete tax. So this is the update about the Fraction AI Interact task, and as well as this Cryplex Depin Airdrop. They raised $80 million in funding. This Cryplex raised $80 million in funding, and of course it's a Solana Depin Airdrop. So you don't want to miss out. You are very early. It has not gone wild. So you have the opportunity to join now and start accumulating your points. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. The registration link, the extension link, and also the links to complete this Fraction AI Interact task. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my back-to-back updates. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pin post in the comment section or the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.